Hello everyone, this is your English teacher Ruba Maali. Today we are starting a new unit. We are starting with unit number 11 and we're going to talk about tigers. We're going to read about tigers. Just to follow everything I do, please go to page 92 in your language book. 92 in your language book. Okay. Now, before we start reading, I just want you to look at the big title, tigers, and then after that, look at the small titles, looking at tigers, where tigers live, hunting for food. Now, those small titles come under the big title, tigers. They come below or under this big title. So what do we call these small titles? We call them subheading. A head is usually something comes at the top of something, all right? It is the top. It is the highest point of something, all right? So subheading means smaller, all right? Or a small part of that head. So small titles are called subheadings, and this is something we will take later. That's why I'm trying to give you an idea starting from today. Now, all about tigers. Tigers are endangered creatures. Endangered creatures. These are animals. Creatures means living animals, all right? Living creatures, and these are in a dangerous situation. So you might want to use a highlighter on your book so that everything, and I underline everything I do, you can highlight it. All right. Tigers are endangered creatures. These creatures are in a dangerous situation. Why? Because for many years they have been hunted for their beautiful fur. Okay, look at tigers. These are tigers. Look at them. Do you think these are beautiful? Of course. Why these are beautiful? Because of the fur that covers their skin. All right? Here we have skin, but we have no fur. Of course, we don't have fur on our skins, but tigers do. Tigers have fur that cover their skin. So these are killed and hunted because hunters want to have their beautiful fur and they want to sell it. They want to get money, and they want and why they sell it? Because companies and people around the world want this fur to make clothes, like jackets, like different kind of clothes, like bags, women bags. Yeah, that's why they are endangered. Many years they have been hunted for their fur, for their beautiful fur. We must protect these animals, and when we protect them, so that their numbers can increase. Increase, you can highlight here, means grow. The number of those animals will grow if we protect them. We ought to learn more about them, and we should make sure that they are not allowed to die out, disappear. Yani, there will be no longer tigers. So you can't allow that to happen, to die out. Now, looking at tigers, let's go through the other subheading, the other small title of the big title, which is tigers. Looking at tigers now, you're going to have two paragraphs here. A paragraph that talks about males. Do you see the word? Males. And the other paragraph talks about females. Now, male, female, male is like the word boy. Female, fee. male, all right, just add fe. Female is like the word girl, okay? Now, looking at tigers. A tiger is fierce, strong. Fierce means very strong. A cat, what type of tiger is? It's a type of cat. It's a type of cat's family. All right, we'll talk about this. A tiger is a fierce, strong cat that hunts in forests and jungles. Forests and jungles is a very big place that a lot of animals live in, a lot of plants and trees live in. Okay. Tigers are the biggest cats in the world. Please highlight this word. The tigers are the biggest cats in the world. So what is the family of animals that tigers come from? They come from the family of cats. They look like cats, okay, but they are real big. A male tiger, now they are talking about males. A male tiger may be longer than a car. Can you imagine how long a car is? Now, a male tiger can be longer than this car. What about the weight of the tiger? You know, when we talk about weight, we are describing the weight by kilogram, by the unit kilogram. All right. So, and weighs more than 2 adult men. Can you imagine 2 big people, 2 big men? Take the weight of those 2 men, okay? Now, a tiger, one tiger can weigh more than those 2 men. This is very big. A tiger's tail, here, I drew it for you. A tiger's tail, you know, the part that comes at the end of a tiger's body. A tiger's tail is over 0.6 meters long. Also, this is very long. Okay, now this is all about, for now, all about male tigers. Now let's go and talk about female tigers. Female tigers are smaller than the males. They are smaller. Which one is bigger? The male. Females are smaller than the male. Okay. A female tiger, okay, a female tiger is called a tigress, right? So here we have male tiger. Tigress is actually the name of a female. Please write all the notes I give you right now. And use the highlighter. Tiger, tigress, male, female. All right. Apart from their size, let's not talk about their size. Male and female tigers look the same. They look exactly the same. All right. They both have orange fur with thick black stripes. You know what do you mean by stripes? These are stripes. These lines here are called stripes. So they have black stripes, as you can see. They have black stripes. Okay. And these are, and also they have orange fur, like this one here. I think this picture is clearer here for you. Look at the orange fur. Look at the fur, look at the stripes. And this is for both males and females. All right. Let's go through the other subheading, which is where tigers live. Where do they live? Very important question. Okay. Tigers can live in cold, snowy mountains. So they can live in cold and snowy places. All right. Tigers can live in cold, snowy mountains and forests, as well as hot jungles, grasslands, and swamps. Now, so they can live in cold places, they can live in hot places, and please underline and highlight those 2 words so that you can remember the places they live in. Nowadays, today, most tigers live in India. Which country? India. underline and highlight. And other parts of Southeast Asia. Also, in Southeast Asia, you know Asia, we have Africa, we have Europe, we have Asia. We live in Asia, in the Middle East of Asia. All right. Tigers are not very common anywhere in the world. You can't see tigers in a lot of places around the world. No, only in certain places like India, like Southeast Asia. So tigers are not very common. You don't see them a lot anywhere in the world. Now this was page 92, okay? If you have any question about this page before we move on to the next page here, to page 93, before we move into this page, I will be waiting for your questions so that we can have a discussion. Now, if you would like to, you can give it a try and do page 94, the comprehension questions, exercise number 1. You can do these questions and prepare, okay? You can test yourself and see if you can find the answers, you can find the details about the text. In another video, we will be discussing page 93. Thank you for listening.